Most people get this wrong when choosing a digital wallet in Hungary. They think every app is basically the same. Just download one, connect your card, and start paying. But here's the truth no one tells you. The wrong digital wallet can quietly cost you money through hidden currency conversion fees, weak rewards, and limited compatibility with local Hungarian banking systems. And in 2026, in Hungary, where contactless payments are almost everywhere from Budapest cafes to rural supermarkets, your choice of digital wallet actually affects how much money you save every single month. So in this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Hungary. Not just names, but how they work in real life, what they are best for, and the mistakes people make when using them. And stay with me, because in a minute I'll show you how people lose money on every tap without even realizing it. Let's start with the basics first. A digital wallet is simply a mobile app that replaces your physical wallet. Instead of carrying cash or cards, you store your payment methods on your phone. Then you pay by tapping, scanning, or sending money instantly. Now let's go into the best digital wallets in Hungary for 2026. First is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in Hungary, especially in Budapest and other major cities. Here's why people like it. It is fast, secure, and extremely simple. Every transaction is confirmed with Face ID or Touch ID. Your actual card number is never shared with merchants, which reduces fraud risk. Now imagine Peter in Budapest buying coffee before work. He double-clicks his iPhone and pays in under 2 seconds. No wallet, no PIN, no delay. But here's the problem. Apple Pay itself does not give rewards or cashback. Everything depends on your bank card. So it is great for convenience, but not for earning money back. Next is Google Pay. Google Pay works similarly to Apple Pay, but for Android users. Now here's where it gets interesting. In Hungary, Google Pay is accepted almost everywhere that supports contactless payments. That includes supermarkets, restaurants, public transport, and even small shops. For example, Anna in Debrecen uses Google Pay daily for groceries and tram tickets. It makes everyday spending effortless. But like Apple Pay, it does not provide its own rewards system. The benefits depend on your linked bank card. Next is Revolut. Revolut is one of the most popular fintech apps in Hungary, especially among students, freelancers, and expats. Now, here's the powerful part. Revolut gives you multi-currency accounts. That means you can hold Hungarian forint, euros, dollars, and more all in one place. Imagine Alex, a freelancer living in Budapest. He gets paid in euros from clients in Germany. Instead of losing money on conversion fees through traditional banks, he holds euros in Revolut and converts them when exchange rates are better. That small timing advantage can save real money every month. Revolut also offers budgeting tools, instant spending alerts, and cashback on selected plans. But here's the catch. If you don't understand the subscription tiers, you might pay for features you do not actually use. So it is powerful, but only if you manage it properly. Next is Wise. Wise is built for transparency and low-cost international transfers. Now here's where most people fail. Traditional banks hide fees inside exchange rates. Wise does the opposite. It shows you the real exchange rate and exact fee before you send money. For people in Hungary receiving international payments or sending money abroad, Wise is extremely useful. Take David in Szeged. He works remotely for clients in the UK and the US. Instead of paying high banking fees, he uses Wise to receive payments directly in multiple currencies. The biggest advantage is clarity. You always know exactly what you are paying. But Wise is not designed for rewards or daily cashback. It is focused on transfers, not everyday spending. Next is PayPal. PayPal is still widely used in Hungary, especially for online shopping and international purchases. Now, here's what most people miss. PayPal adds an extra layer of protection. When you pay online, your card details are never shared with sellers. That reduces fraud risk significantly. But here's the downside. PayPal currency conversion fees can be higher compared to modern fintech apps like Revolut or Wise. So it is safe, but not always the cheapest option. Next is Simple by OTP. This is one of the most important local digital wallets in Hungary. Now here's why it matters. Simple by OTP is deeply integrated into the Hungarian banking system. It allows you to pay for parking, buy tickets, shop online, and even manage loyalty cards. For example, Gabor in Budapest uses Simple to pay for parking directly from his phone, without searching for coins or machines. This is one of the most practical wallets for daily life in Hungary. But here's the limitation. It is mostly focused on local services and not ideal for international use. Next is MBH Bank app and other Hungarian banking apps. These apps are essential because they connect directly to the Hungarian financial system. Now, here's the truth. Even though they are not as flashy as fintech apps, they are extremely reliable. They support instant transfers, secure payments, and full banking features. For example, Esther in Budapest receives her salary, pays bills, and manages savings all through her bank app without needing third-party wallets. The advantage is trust and stability. The limitation is fewer rewards compared to fintech apps. Next is Curve. Curve is a smart wallet that connects all your cards into one. Now here's the interesting part. With Curve, you can pay with one card, then decide later which account should actually be charged. That means you can move transactions between cards after you spend. For example, Tom in Budapest buys groceries using Curve, then later decides to charge it to a different account for budgeting purposes. Curve also offers cashback on selected merchants, which adds extra value. Next is Skrill. Skrill is popular among freelancers and online earners in Europe, including Hungary. Now here's where it gets interesting. Skrill supports fast international transfers and is often used in gaming, digital services, and freelance payments. But be careful. Skrill can have higher fees depending on how you deposit or withdraw money. So it is powerful, but you need to understand it before using it as your main wallet. Finally, we have local Hungarian QR and bank transfer systems. Hungary is increasingly adopting instant bank transfers and QR code payments. Now here's the key insight. Many shops in Budapest and other cities now support QR payments that connect directly to banking apps. This makes payments fast without needing physical cards. It is not a single app, but a system that is becoming part of everyday life. Now let's bring everything together. If you want daily convenience, Apple Pay and Google Pay are essential. If you want international flexibility, Revolut and Wise are the strongest combination. If you want online shopping protection, PayPal is still useful. If you want local Hungarian services, Simple by OTP and bank apps are the foundation. If you want advanced control, Curve adds flexibility, and Skrill works for niche international payments. But here is the most important insight. The best digital wallet is not just one app. It is a combination based on your lifestyle. Students in Budapest often use Revolut plus Apple Pay. Freelancers combine Wise and Revolut. Everyday users rely on Simple by OTP and their bank apps. And the people who save the most money are not the ones using one wallet. They are the ones using each tool for its strength. So before you decide, ask yourself one simple question. Are you focused on local payments, international transfers, online shopping, or flexible spending? Because your answer changes everything. To wrap it up, digital wallets in Hungary in 2026 are faster, safer, and more powerful than ever before. But only if you understand how to use them correctly. Now you know exactly which wallets fit your needs and how to avoid the mistakes that quietly cost people money every day. If this helped you, like the video, leave a comment with the wallet you are using in Hungary, and subscribe for more deep, practical guides like this.